Hey, you guys, I hope all is well with you all. Hope you guys are being safe, taking care of yourself and your family. I wanted to show you guys how to make wipes, or this can be paper towels, and that's what I'm using this for. Let me show you guys how I made this. Okay, you guys, I have some reusable paper towel. You can wash these. It's a cloth type material. It's not a, it's a paper, but I don't know if you guys can see. Very sturdy. This is the heavy duty one. And all you have to do, and it tear off just like the paper towels. What you do, I'm gonna show you guys. You just tear them off, and or you can use washcloths. If you want to use them for baby wipes, you can use these for baby wipes. That's up to you. Um, you can use napkins. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So what we're gonna do first is lay out the first one. Then we're gonna take the second one. We're gonna just keep piling it up, right? And fold. I did these for Adriana when she was a baby. She had the cloth diapers. This is clean, you guys. It's been washed. You just fold that over. And then you take your next one. I didn't want to tear all of them off, but you just tear them all off. You take the next one, place it here, fold that over. And then, let's pretend that this is this. These are all washed and clean with natural soap. This is too big, okay? I was just using this actually I'm going to keep these in here. Let's add these to this. That's what we're going to do. They have been washed, okay? I use natural soap. No bleach. I'm going to put that over. You're going to put your next one and fold it over. And then you take your container, which can be, even if you want to use a plastic bowl, you're going to put your wipes in here, or your paper towels, reusable paper towels. Push it in here. Pull the first one through. Yeah, I done overstuffed it now, but because it is too little. These are big wipes. Okay, you're gonna pull out, and you see the next one pop out. There you go. And you just keep pulling out the next wipe or paper towel. So this is how you can make cloth paper towels, wipes for your baby. You can use, this is a regular napkin. If you want these for your baby, I probably would double them up. You're going to do the same thing. So we're going to, let's pretend like that's doubled. You're going to take the next one. And you can also keep doing the same thing. Keep piling them up, and then it'll pull out the next one. Okay? To make it a wipe, you could just put your water inside your container. And your water, your essential oils. And if you want to use a little olive oil or coconut oil, mix it up and pour it on top. Just a couple drops of lavender, or you can use rose hip, rose German chamomile, something soft, but just stick with lavender. Just 1 or 2 drops in the water and just pour about a half a cup of water over this. You can also keep re-wetting it as if it dries out. Just open it, open the top up, and pour your water on it, and there you go. This is how you, during this time, can take washcloths. Let me show you. Well, the same thing. I don't have to show you. You just get a hand washcloth or face cloth, towel, whatever you want to call it. Open it up. Fold it down. Get your next one, put it on top, and fold it over, and they will pull out just like this. You can also get any type of fabric. Get an old sheet, or you can get like a cotton t-shirt, cut it up, make sure it's clean, and do the same thing. And there you go, you guys. This will save you money, time, and I know at this time you can't find a lot of things. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. 1,000 Roses. Peace. One love. 1,000 Roses.